What is the difference between oxidation and reduction firing? Have you ever wondered how the colors and textures of antique ceramics are created? The answer lies in the firing process, specifically oxidation and reduction firing. Let's break down the differences between these two methods and how they affect ceramic glazes. Oxidation firing occurs when there is plenty of oxygen in the kiln. This means that the fuel burns completely, allowing oxygen to interact with the clay and glaze materials. As a result, metallic elements like iron and copper reach their fully oxidized state. This firing method often produces bright and vibrant colors. You will typically find oxidation firing in electric kilns or gas kilns that have good ventilation. The flame in these kilns is usually blue and steady, which helps create consistent and predictable glaze colors. On the other hand, reduction firing happens in an environment where there is not enough oxygen. This lack of oxygen means that the fuel does not burn completely. In this setting, gases like carbon monoxide pull oxygen from the clay and glaze materials. This process alters the chemical makeup of metallic oxides, reducing them to lower oxidation states. For example, iron oxide can change from ferric to ferrous or even to metallic iron. This firing method can produce a range of colors, including greens, blues, and blacks. Reduction firing often results in unique surface effects and colors that can be smoky or earthy. This method is commonly used in wood or gas kilns where airflow is controlled to limit oxygen. The outcome can be more varied and sometimes unpredictable, which is why many collectors and artists appreciate reduction-fired pieces. Understanding these firing methods is essential for anyone interested in antique ceramics. Oxidation-fired ceramics tend to have bright and clear colors, making them more uniform. In contrast, reduction-fired pieces may showcase unique color variations and textures, which can increase their desirability. When it comes to identifying and valuing ceramics, knowing whether a piece was fired in an oxidation or reduction atmosphere can provide important clues. It helps collectors understand the origin and firing technique of the piece, which can influence its value. Many antique ceramics owe their distinctive appearance to these firing methods, making them even more fascinating to collectors. So, the next time you admire a piece of antique ceramic, consider the firing process that brought it to life. Understanding oxidation and reduction firing can deepen your appreciation for these beautiful works of art.